Hi everyone, this is Barry. Here is a tutorial about RoboVR operation progress. The first part, we should know the minimum system requirements for RoboVR. As we can see in the screen, the OS version for our laptop or our PC should be Windows 10 or Windows 11 64-bit, and the processor should be Intel Core i3 10th generation or above, and the memory should be 8 GB or above. And the video card, we should just use NVIDIA GTX 1060 or above, or AMD RX 580 or above. And the storage should be SSD with at least 100 GB free space. And there is the additionals. We don't stress use AMD CPUs and AMD graphic cards. Then we can open the RoboVR software. The main menu of VR software have the following section. Section 1, click to view the account information or to log out. Section 2, click to modify software settings like graphic quality, GPU acceleration feature, and volume. Section 3, displays recent context information and provides access to attend contests at this area. Section 4, displays maps under the current account. You can click Start to run your vehicle on a specific map. For example, like this. Section 5, we can click here to edit your vehicle. We can edit our vehicle at here, add a robotic arm or some other module. For shooting terrain, we can also add it here. And after that, we can click Save on the top corner and add a name about our vehicle and click Confirm to save it. Section 6, click to edit maps under the current account. This feature is available to only Pro Edition users. Click to obtain the Pro Edition or RoboVR after you have purchased the CTK or Pro Edition. And also, click to redeem the map you have purchased. In the right side panel, select the Map tab, and then select the map you want to edit. The present items and scenery are displayed in the main canvas. If you want to add some more items on this map, click the Atom type in the right side panel. Select the atom you require, and then click Add. And then I will show you how to run a vehicle on a map. In the Start Practice section on the main menu, select the map you want to practice and click Start. In the top bar of the map page, you can click the following icons. The first one is Program icon. Click the Program icon to go to the Scratch programming page. You can build a program by yourself. You can also click to the second icon in the top bar to import an existing program. After you finish building or importing the program, click the first icon in the top to save the program, and then last icon to return the page. Second icon is Debug. After you save the program, you can click the following icon to debug the program. The program automatically runs. After the program finishes, be sure to click the debug icon again to exit the debugging mode. The third one is Start icon. After you debug and fix your program, you can click the start icon to run your vehicle on this map. After the program ends and the vehicle stops, click this icon again to exit this mode. And the fourth button is Change Vehicle. If you would like to change your vehicle, click this following icon in the top bar. In the dialog box that appears, select the vehicle you want to use from the drop-down list and click Load. And the number 5 is the tutorial icon. Click the tutorial icon to view tutorials, like how to see details on this map. Number 6 is Show or Hide Scores. Click the Show or Hide Scores icon to show or hide scores of the tasks on this map. 7 is the Tasks button. Click the Tasks icon to view the task list. The pop-up window shows all the tasks you can do on this map. And next one is Show or Hide Hints. And for this map, we can't see it. Let me switch to the Oceanic Odyssey map. If your map has some underwater tasks or tasks inside tunnels, you can click this icon to make the background transparent for easier use. Just like this one. This map has mountain, but if you click Hide Hints, we can see the mission point under the mountain. And the last button is Main Menu button. Click this icon to return the main menu. Okay, here is the tutorial about the operation for RoboVR. Thank you.